So in the exercise 4.3, ninth question see here. Two water taps together can fill the tank in 3/8 hours. And the tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. Okay. So we have to consider here in this question smaller one and separately whenever they are filling it is. So let us consider the with the steps I'm going to write on the board and see here. The proper steps you need to write so that let the problem number 9 here. Okay. So here we need to find out the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Time taken by the each tap. So first you find let time taken by smaller diameter tap. To fill the tank. So to fill that, as means whenever it is filling the tank alone, separately. Okay. X hours. We are considering it as X hours. Then time taken by smaller diameter tap we are meant. Larger diameter tap to fill the tank separately is equals to X minus 10 hours. It takes 10 hours less time. Then time taken by the smaller and the larger diameters is given. So in 1 hour, smaller and larger diameter taps, both the taps separately. Okay, both the taps means first we are mentioning the separately smaller one, like smaller and larger diameter taps in 1 hour fill the tank 1 by X and 1 by X minus 10 part of tank separately. Did you understand here? Separately 1 by X, the part of the tank will be filled. Okay. So so whenever you are taking here like this, the smaller and larger diameter taps fill the tank separately. 1 by X and 1 by X minus 10 part of the tank separate. Okay. So then both together in 1 hour fill the tank 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10th but it is given that both together fill the tank in 3/8 hours, which is equals to 75/8 hours. Therefore, in 1 hour, both together fill 8 by 75th part of tank. So what do you get here from this? This is for our, as per our consideration. This is as per the given question. So what you have get here? 1 by X plus 1 by x minus 10 is equals to 8 by 75. So what do you get here on simplification? This one, x into x plus 10 we are going to get here. Sorry, x minus 10. X minus 10 plus x is equals to 8 by 75. So there is here 2x minus 10 in the numerator, we'll get 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x is equals to 8 by 75. Here if you take the 2 common, little bit smaller numbers better we will get here. If you take the 2 common, we are going to get it as a 2x minus 5. 2 ones are 2 fours. Now you have to cross multiply here. So when you cross multiply, what do you get here? 4 into x square minus 10x is equals to 75 into x minus 5. So what do you get here? 4x square minus 40x is equals to 75x minus 75 into 5. 375. So these two terms you take it to the left hand side. 4x square minus 40x minus 75x plus 375 is equals to 0. So 4x square minus 25, 50, 115x plus 375 is equals to 0. So what to do here? Factorization. Actually, factorization is only the easy method, but most of the students will feel that इधर formula apply कर लिया तो b square find out करना है, 4ac find out करना है, under root of 4ac आएगा. What is the formula? Most of the people, students also will feel that formula is best. No, formula is best for the simple calculations and additions and subtractions, and there you need to find out the square root of the one given number. These all the things are necessary. Okay, so here instead of that factorization, if you try only, then it is a easy task to you. So when you try for the factorization, what you need to do here? 4 is there, this and this you have to multiply. No need to multiply. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 375 you have to factorize. 5, 7 is 35, 5. 525 is, sorry, 15 is a 75, 3 5 is a. And along with these numbers, 2 into 2 also there. So these numbers to be split in such a way that the sum of the two numbers 115 we need to get. So 115 we need to get. So that's why 5 should be there in the both the groups. So you try to make the groups in such a way that 5 should be there in every group. Okay, the 15. Yes, 25 fours are, yeah, 25 4 100, 115. 115 if you multiply separately also we are going to. So 4x square 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equals to 0. From this 4x if you take, see how simple you are getting when you are trying for the factorization. Minus 15x minus 25 into 15 is yes, 25 into 15 is 375, right? So what do you get here? X minus 25 and 4x minus 15 is equals to 0. So from this, what you are going to get here? X is equals to 25 or X is equals to 15 by 4 hours. 15 by 4. Therefore, the smaller diameter cap will take 25 hours if you are taking. But why not 15 by 4 hours? Can anyone tell? 15 by 4 hours, is it possible? Only 25 is the correct answer in this situation. Can anyone tell?
Yes, sir, I can tell.
Yes, Ruti, go.
As it is mentioned in the question that the tab with the larger diameter will take 10 hours less than the smaller one. So after we solve this, we will get that it will be 3 hours, and after point it will 3 point something. So it is not more than 10. Hence, it
Yes,
cannot be
yes,
taken
yes.
into consideration.
Yes. This is smaller only if it is taking less than the 10 hours. This is less than 10 hours. already it is larger diameter will take the 10 hours less than the smaller one. It is, if it is filling the tank separately these many hours, so we are getting the situation. In this situation, why do we get this one answer? Mean this is a quadratic equation we are getting. So as we are getting a quadratic equation, this is here. So only 25 only should be taken into consider, as 15 by 4 is less than 10, less than 10. Therefore, x in this, why it is less than 10? Since the larger diameter will take the 10 hours less than the smaller one. So therefore, smaller diameter pipe. Will you write the conclusion? Conclusion can be written, I think so. Smaller diameter pipe will take the 25 hours to fill separately, and larger diameter will take the 15 hours separately to fill the tank. Is it clear? Okay, next, let us move to the next question here. It is given to you. So this is the question given to you. I think you can solve this question. It's not a very difficult to you. An express train takes the 1 hour. Previously, in the previous problem, whatever we have solved, same model question here. So what is the difference you are having in this? The name is given to you here. Different names are given. Express train and passenger train is given to you. Express train will take the 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel the 132 kilometers. If the express train speed is 11 kilometers per hour more than the passengers. So passengers train speed you have to consider x. Passenger train speed you consider as x. Then let the speed of passenger train is equals to x kilometers per hour. Then speed of express train. As per the question, it is given that it takes the 11 kilometers per hour more than the speed of the passenger train. 11 kilometers, x plus 11 kilometers per hour. The distance is given distance is equals to 132 kilometers. So a difference between the time is 1 hour. Express train take the more 1 hour less. So express train time is what? Express train time, this distance by time. This distance by time. So time difference is equals to 1 hour. So time taken by the express passenger train is, that is nothing but time taken by passenger train minus time taken by express train is equals to 1 hour. Express train will take the 1 hour less it is given. So passenger train will take the 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equals to 1. Better you take the 132 common so that the problem becomes a little bit easy. Otherwise, it looks like a complicated one. 132 when you take the common, x into x plus 11 we are going to get, x plus 11 minus x we are going to get is equals to 1. So x will get cancelled. So we are going to get here x square plus 11x is equals to 132 into 11. Multiplication is not necessary to multiply here. X square plus 11x minus 132 into 11 is equals to 0. 132 को factorize करो. This is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11 2. So 11, this is 2, 6 are 2, 3 are. So another 11 is there, another 11. These numbers we need to group such that the difference we need to get the 11. So obviously you can guess 44 and 33. See here, these three numbers you take 44. These two you take 33. So factorization, see how it is simple. Factorization only better to you. So x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 132 into 11 is equals to 0. So x if you take the common, x plus 44 minus 33 if you take the common. So don't write directly x plus 44 आएगा बोल के x plus 44 नहीं लिखना है. 33 बोले तो इसमें से 3 निकाल. तो this 3 निकाल दिया तो whether you will get 44 or not, means 3 से divide कर लिया तो इसको. So 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are, yes 44 आ रहा है. So that is nothing but we are doing the problem right. ये इधर x plus 44 है, डायरेक्टली x plus 44 आएगा बोल के डायरेक्टली लिखना नहीं, चेक करना. You need to check. Okay. So what you will get here, x plus 44 when you take the common, x minus 33 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 44 or x is equals to plus 33. Therefore, we are going to get negative speed will not be there. So as minus 44 is not possible, minus 44 speed is not possible. The speed of the passenger train is 33. Speed of the express train is 33 plus 11. इसको positive नहीं किया है. Do remember that. In this situation, you are getting that वो 33 को plus 11 कर दिए तो 44 आ रहे. That doesn't mean that ये 44 को plus कर लिया. No, not like that. Okay, speed of the passenger train is 33 kilometers per hour and passenger train, express train is 44 kilometers per hour. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, at least yes you say, because whether it is audible or not, I am getting doubt. The last question in this, it is given that the sum of the areas of the two squares. Sum of the areas of two squares. So please anyone, Antika read. Antika ma'am, wait. Abhijit, please read.
Yes, sir. The sum of the
Read.
areas of is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the side of the two square.
Yes. Find the sides of the two squares. So here, sum of the areas of the two squares. Sum of the areas of the two squares is 468. The difference between the perimeters is, so here two variables can be considered, but one variable should be replaced by the other variable. So that quadratic equation will be formed. Okay. So what you have to consider here? Two variables. First you take the sides of the two squares. Let us consider the sides of the two squares. Let the sides of two squares as x meters में दिया है. Meter square is the area given. Difference also given. X meters and y meters. And the difference between the perimeters. Given difference between perimeters is equals to 24 meters. So what is a perimeter means here 4x. Let us consider the x is a larger square and y is the smaller square side. So perimeter of the square is 4x minus 4y is equals to 24 we are going to get. So from this 4 if you take the common, x minus y is equals to 24 and x minus y is equals to 6. Y is equals to x minus 6. Okay, and also given that difference between the sum of the areas of two squares, and also given sum of areas of two squares. Sum of the areas of two squares is equals to 468 meters square. So here x square plus y square, area of the square formula is side into side means side square. So x square plus y square is equals to 468. So y should be replaced by x minus 6. So either one. So x square plus x minus 6 whole square is equals to 468. In the brackets you write from 1. Now you have to proceed with this one. So what do you write? X square plus x square minus 12x plus 36 is equals to 468. So minus 468 is equals to 0. So we are going to get 2x square minus 12x and 36 when you subtract 4 minus 432 is equals to 0. So from this 2 take the common. So we are going to get x square minus 6x minus 216 we are going to get it. So x square minus 6x minus 216 is equals to 0. So 216 you have to factorize. 216 6 cube hai. 216 is 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. Difference we need to get 6. This can be written as 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Factorization only this one, but I am doing in another way. So what can be taken? Difference we need to get 6. Difference is 6 ana. What? 12, 18. 12, 18. Okay. Just मैं पहली बार में पकड़ रहा हूँ बोले तो ऐसा नहीं है. मे भी एक दो बार चेक कर रहा हूँ. It takes some time to you to catch that one. X square minus should be 18. Minus 18x plus 12x minus 200. You may think that अरे सर पहली बार में कैसे पकड़ रहे हो? नहीं, just I am guessing here the number difference should be equals to 6. Smaller difference we need to get. That the number should be equally distributed. So based on that I am checking, that's all. Okay. So what you will write here? X minus 18 plus 12 if you take x minus 18 is equals to 0. 18 आएगा नहीं आएगा? 12 into 18. 12 into 18 only 216 है ना? So from that only we are going to get x minus 18, x plus 12 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 18 or x is equals to minus 12. So what is here? Side of the square cannot be negative, as side of square cannot be negative. X is equals to minus 12, not possible. Therefore, x is equals to only 18. Therefore, side of the one square is 18 meters and side of the another square is equals to y, 18 minus 6. Another square side is y. So y is equals to x minus 6. So that is nothing but 18 minus 6, which is equals to 12 meters. So ये 12 को plus 12 नहीं कर रहे. Mostly all the problems are they are getting like that only. But it doesn't mean that वही आएगा बोल के directly लिखना नहीं. This is the way we are getting y value from the x. So that you need to keep in your mind. Okay. Did you understand and do you have any doubts?
No, sir. Yes, sir.